Yes, morning to you all. In this video, I'm going to take you through this project of machine learning and AI. So I'm going to use machine learning to predict diabetes. It's diabetes, which is a sugar kind of disease, maybe due to increased level of sugar or insulin in the body, glucose. Yeah, that's what causes this. That's what causes this disease. So that was. So how am I going to use this? I'm going to use this. In this project, I'm going to be using the support vector machine. And in the support vector machine, this is one of the most known algorithms under supervised learning. Where supervised learning, we shall use a labeled data set. This data set, it's majorly going to be diabetes.csv file. You can just download that on Kaggle. Yes, in addition to that, we are going to use the Python programming language. Yeah, the data sets, these are some of the data sets that we are going to use. We shall just be training our model using the glucose, maybe the levels of glucose, insulin, and data whether a person that has diabetes or not, which are all included in that diabetes.csv file. So under on this slide, majorly we are just discussing some of the differences between supervised and unsupervised learning. And supervised learning algorithms are trained using labeled data that you know. Like also, while in unsupervised, we are training our models using unlabeled data. So in this video, as you follow along, even in the coding, we shall use labeled data. We shall be labeling our data with certain values, because since we are going to majorly use the supervised learning techniques, yeah. Like you can also, it's under supervised learning has many advantages compared to unsupervised learning, but also the reverse is true. So this model, the supervised learning model, it takes direct feedback to check if the prediction was correct and its output was right or wrong. So while this unsupervised learning model, it doesn't take any feedback. For it, it just finds the hidden patterns within the data. While this supervised learning model just predicts the output. Yeah. So as we proceed, we have supervised learning techniques. Like I had said, I'm just going to use the support vector machine. And this support vector machine, this support vector machine is one of the most common algorithms and for machine learning and artificial intelligence. So it's used majorly for classification, regression, and outliers detection. So, and then it works by mapping the data to a high-dimensional future space. So that data points can be categorized when the data not otherwise linearly separate. We shall see what that means in a minute. So among the unsupervised learning techniques I'm going to use, we're just going to use neural networks. Obviously, they are going to be convolutional neural networks. That's what I'm going to use, convolutional neural networks, in case I'm to use the unsupervised learning technique. Yeah. Then challenges likely to be faced, obviously, very many challenges, I think. But I just listed out a few. So in determining the right data set, because we have very many data sets. Like even someone working on a project of breast cancer detection, you could also get that file from Kaggle. It's there. All these files are there. They have some data input in them, and this data, it was recorded. It's some good amount of data to be used to train a model. Yeah. So Some other problem could be maybe limited knowledge, because we are not that. Since I'm just a college student, I'm just majoring this, just starting to work on artificial intelligence this semester, yeah. So I don't know how things will go, yeah. We don't know how things will really work. But also the computing power, these models really need some good power. In addition, by that, to this, we shall be using maybe, if not any code editor or IDE, we shall be using this from some Chrome text editor, as we shall see, yeah, in the future videos. And then those are some of the solutions. Obviously, I'll just have to buy some new machine, and maybe by the end of this year, I'll be able to buy. Then how are you going to predict how are you going to judge our model? These are some of the aspects that I use to judge these AI models. So we shall have accuracy, precision, recall, and the F1 score. Accuracy, this is just, it describes like how many data points were detected correctly. Then precision of a model describes how many detected items are truly relevant. Yeah. Like if I can give an example, yeah? With precision, how many detected items are truly relevant? Suppose I have 100 cats and 100 dogs. And in this model, out of those 100 cats, this model is able to predict at least 50. Then that precision level is somehow good, because our model is able to precise and judge the information, yeah? Then we get to recall. Recall, this is the measure of how many relevant elements or items were detected. Therefore, it divides the true positives by the number of relevant elements. So if I'm to proceed with this same example, suppose I have those 100 dogs and 100 cats, and this model is able to detect all the 200 elements as dogs or cats. Then our model is able to recall, and that's some good work. Yeah, that's some good step moved forward. Then the F1 score, this is just a measure and the combination of, like the intersection of precision and recall, as we shall see in the later videos about that F1 score. So basically, yeah, we have the AI evaluation metrics that I'm going to use. In this project, I'm going to basically use accuracy and precision, and we'll be able to judge our model after it has been developed. Yeah. Some of the references here, we have YouTube, and then part of Udemy. Udemy is some sites, though it's not free, you have to pay some amount, but you can find more content there. Then you also Google out, use browsers like Google Chrome, use maybe Opera Mini, use Bing, Microsoft Edge, use kind of stuff. So also FreeCodeCamp, there's some like Simplilearn. Then also Kaggle, yeah, though it's not included here or not indicated here, but it's where I'm getting these data sets, all this data file, yeah. So members, that was it. Consider subscribing to this channel. Please like, follow, maybe tag someone, and also share this video to just encourage me to continue creating more content like this. Thanks for watching.